Another fun, loving Jeep going through the off-road or heading into the boardroom? Please take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Gladiator High Altitude in Stingray. The contrasting trim of all blackout and the wheels being blacked out to the Stingray looks super sharp. It comes equipped with LED reflector headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross pad detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 6,000 miles on the odometer. Comes with an upgraded 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, a command track, part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, and it comes with a gas-saving 3.6-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6770.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.